Good morning, Sierra. That's right. We're out here at Kuehnert Dairy Farm where the Fall Festival is running now all the way until October 21st. So it's a great family fun activity to come out, take advantage of. It is out here on West Cook Road. And joining me this morning is Sarah Kuehnert. So thank you for being out here this morning.
Thank you for being here.
Absolutely. So first, just tell me what all is offered at the Fall Festival.
Okay. Well, we are a working dairy farm, and we've been milking cows here for 121 years in Fort Wayne. So we think that's pretty awesome. And so you can come out and see our operation. You guys can see how we take care of our cows. Also, you will learn that milk comes from cows, right? And that our food doesn't come from the grocery store. So you can really see our operation working. Also, we brought lots of different fall activities for all kids of all ages, young and old, to come and enjoy.
Okay, and so this is the 6th year, so is there anything new this year specifically?
This year we added a lot to our Ninja Warrior courses, so especially to our Big Kid Ninja Warrior courses. So we do appeal to younger families with children that are younger, and so now it's our 6th year, so those children are growing, and so we want to make sure that we're meeting the needs of the entire family. So yeah, we added a lot of things for older children this year.
Okay, awesome. And so obviously the main attraction is the cows, so let's talk about the cows. What can you learn about, what can children interact with the cows?
Yes, so we actually have baby calves inside of the Fall Festival so that they can go in, they can touch them, they can actually go into their pen. If you're here during feeding time, you might have the opportunity to feed a bottle, and then you also can see them in our robotic milking facility. You can see the cows being milked, and then you can go in our freestall barn where the cows live. So you guys can pet them if they come up to you, but you never go into their pen. So it's always a safe environment. We also do a hayride, which is a complete farm tour. So you can travel around the farm and see all the different barns and why we use those barns. So it's very, very educational.
Okay, well that sounds really great. Thank you for telling us all that information. We'll be live here again in another half hour, so be sure to stay tuned. But for now, Sierra, we'll send it back to you.